Since 2007, we've been with BirchStreet. We are currently using every module that BirchStreet offers with the exception of AccuBar. We're not using AccuBar yet. Our primary reason is it has a wide breadth of tools. It's global. We use the product around the world. It has very good inventory management, a great AP tool, as well as CAP. The best thing I like about BirchStreet is actually the colleagues that they have. They're very good at helping us from getting our hotels ready to supplier adoption to training, and when they do training, they can speak it in the language of our global hotels.